How to make custom Opera GX background music. So let's get started.
Alright, so now to customize your background music here, what you'd need to do is basically just click here on mods right here in the sidebar. So if you don't have the sidebar, click here on the easy setup icon. From here, click on show sidebar, make sure it's enabled. Now, once you have this, click here on the mods icon. Now, from here, you could go for this sound, and this is where you can change your background music right here. So click on it, and from here, enable, and then you could choose from your choices in here to customize it, or click here on get more, and then you could go into the Opera's GX store. And from here, you could get your background music from these mods or themes. For example, this one, click here, and as you can see, you'd be able to see that there is a music right here that is included, like this one right here, background music. So just install that mod, and then you would have that here in the background music choices in here. So yeah, you should have it here as a choice. Now, if you would really want to create a background music from scratch, then what you'd need to do is basically you'd need to create a mod here in Opera GX. So how you can do that is basically going back into mod, click here and create, and then you would have to use this right here. So you need to download this as zip file, and basically it would now be downloaded such as this one right here. As you can see, this is a downloaded file that we have downloaded. Now you want to open that, and from here go into documentation. You'd have the mod template. So this is what you're gonna use. As you can see, you have the music in here, which is the background music. You can just input or replace the tracks right here to input your own. And basically from here is that you would want to copy this, and then you would want to paste this on mods from here. And as you can see, I have pasted it here. You want to open that, and this is where you'd be able to customize your sound, wallpaper, web modding, especially the background music, which is the one that we would want to customize. Now go back into your browser to install it. Click here on extension at the top right, manage extension. From here, turn on developer mode. Now, you want to click here on load and packed. And from here, you just basically want to select the mod template that you have just modified or created, which is this one. Click on it, click on select folder, and it will be uploaded here. In my case, it's already here, so nothing happens because I have turned it off. But in your case, once you load it, it would automatically apply. So yeah, that's it on how you'd be able to create your own customized Opera GX background music. Now, once you have installed or loaded your mod here, you can go back into mods, go into sounds, background music, and then you should see your own background music right here. And that's it.